Welcome to you all. This question from trigonometry. Evaluate sin 20 degree, sin 40 degree, sin 60 degree and sin 80 degree. So first write of these sine functions only sin 60 degrees value is known. Here the expression is product of four sine functions. Out of these four sine functions, only one, that means sine 60 degrees value is known. That is, it is a table value. But the values of sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree and sine 80 degree values are not known. So we are used to formula so that we can find the value of this expression. Here sine functions are in product form. So we have to think about the product function to sum or difference. It is known that the formula is writing here 2 sin A sin B. Formula is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So we will arrange this expression so that we can use this formula considering these first two. So writing sin 20 sin 40. Here A assumed A is greater than B, so we will consider first sin 40 degree, then sin 20 degree. Grouping this as formula 2, here we will write 2, here we will write half because to maintain the equality. Sin 60 degree we will put the values of sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 80 degree we will write as it is. Now for this expression written in the bracket, first bracket, use the formula half 2 sin A sin B cos A minus B, cos of A means 40 degree minus 20 degree minus cos of A plus B 40 degree plus 20 degree, others writing as sin 80 degree, that is equal to half root 3 by 2, writing root 3 by 4. 40 minus 20 cos 20 minus cos 60, cos 60 half, writing sin 80 degree, here write as cos 60 is equal to half. Now multiply this expression by sin 80 degree. What will be cos 20 degree sin 80 degree minus half sin 80 degree. So again we can use the formula sin A cos B because A 80 degree, because 80 degree greater than 20 degree, and here writing or memorizing the formula 2 sin A cos B. What is the formula? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus b. So to use this formula, we will write this root 3 by 4 into half. That means we are multiplying this expression by 2, and after taking common 2 will get cancelled. Write 2 sine 80 degree cos 20 degree, because formula sin a cos b, a assumed greater than b, minus into half sin 80 degree, that is equal to root 3 by 4 into 2 8. What is 2 sin a cos b, sin a plus b, sin 80 plus 20 100 degree, plus sin a minus b 80 minus 20 sin 60 degree. 2 will get cancelled. Sin 80 degree as it is written. Now see, try to cancel out sin 100 degree and sin 80 degree. Easily it may be done. See, sin minus 180 degree minus 80 degree, that is 100 degree, sin 80 degree, because 180 minus theta, as per formula sin 180 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta, second quadrant in case of sin positive. So root 3 by 8. For this, writing sin 80 degree plus sin 60 root 3 by 2 minus sin 80 degree. Now this cancelled out. So root 3 by 8 into root 3 by 2. That is equal to root 3 into root 3, 3 by 8 into 2, 16. Therefore the answer is the value of sin 20 degree, sin 40 degree, sin 60 degree, sin 80 degree is 3 by 16. Thank you for watching this video.